Chukwu ewuse. Chukwu ewuse. Ụmụ Igbo, ịtama agba n'ikorobịa mmem. Ịtama agba n'ikorobịa mmem. Ịta mgbalụ. Gbawata na Anambra, gbawata na Abịa, gbawata na Imo, gbawata na Ebonyi, gbawata na Enugu, gbawata na all Igboz foundation and base worldwide in all our science and technologies, Igboz as home and diaspora. All my prayers in the past and in the future, all the Okuku Calabash energies, all the Puka Arabnagi Kenga, Akukwagu Arabnagi come together to form Igboz Technologies energies, transfer to all Igbo land into our foundation, science and technologies. All negativities against Igbos in our land, in our foundation, in our base, against us, blocking us, all negative energies, all disease and negativities. I use all animals, roasters, hens, tartary bitter cola, baby powder, cosmetic soap, tissue napkins, destroy and turn all of them upside down. Cover all pits, wipe out all shame, level all floor, pull out all arrows, cast out all diseases and negativities in our foundation, in our body, in our land. All sin in the past and in the present are all incarnated sin. I cleanse, wipe all out on Chukwu justices. Akodi, Akoba, wipe them out. All dead, all Igbos dead in the past, in the present, or recently died. I bury all according to tradition. I say, all rise, get up, move into household, and incarnate. Unblock all Igbos. All Igbos males, I use milk cow, roasters, rams, tartary, are working and welcome into our bodies. Our Chi Arabnagi Kingo, Ojanana energies. Welcome all Igbo males into Obu house males. All our females, I use Kingo, female cow, hens, tartary, are working and welcome into their bodies. Our Chi Arabnagi Ojanana energies and welcome them into their bodies and into Uke kitchen. And welcome all powers, authority and manifestation into our body, foundation, science and technologies. All Igbos, rise, get up, move forward. Somebody be say. It's me, SankoFM Chief Priest, Peter, Odira, Nkwuaku, in Anambra, Los Angeles, California, USA. Rise up.